Coming out to the light of day, we got many moons in a deeper place. So I keep an eye on a shadow smile to see what it has to say. You and I both know everything must go away. What do you say? You don't know my mind, you don't know my kind. Dark necessities are part of my design. Tell the world that I'm falling from the sky. Dark necessities are part of my design. Do you want this love of mine? The darkness helps the soul to shine. Do you want it? Do you want it now? Do you want it all the time? The darkness helps the soul to shine. Do you want it? Do you want it now? Hello everybody, I'm Vasco and today I will show you how I'm playing Dark Necessities by Red Hot Chili Peppers on the ukulele. We'll do it 3 half steps down than the original, so if you want to play along with the original after this tutorial, you have to put a capo on the 3rd fret, but I decided to do it that way because it's way easier to play, easier to sing. So grab your high G string ukulele and let's go. I'll show you first the basic chord progressions in the song, and after that we'll dig deeper into details that will make it sound really cool. Okay, we have 2 different intros. The first one goes from F to D minor to A minor to G. And this is where the bass is going. It goes in 16th notes. And what I'm doing is just very quietly and very quickly doing down up, 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 like this. In the song this is repeated a lot of times, but I'm just doing it 2 times. And we go to the second intro, which is A minor to F. Let's first show it just as chords and then I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. And then we go to the verse, which starts again with A minor to F, this thing. And then here we go to D minor to F to A minor. Okay, let's see the rhythmic part. What I'm doing is 1 slight down strum on the first time, and we are counting 1 and 2 and 3. On 3 I'm doing a strong down, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and on N, 4 and after 3 I'm doing muted strums. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 muted down, and then here with the pinky on the 3rd fret of the E string on the off beat after the second one, and then on the next off beat open A string, okay? And then again muted down up, down up. All right, slowly. The weird thing here is that the accent on the second part are on the off beats, and this really makes the song, so make sure you spend your time on this and try to perfect it. All right, so here it is. And then on D minor, I'm not doing the thing with the 3rd fret of the E string, but just doing an up strum there. and getting back to A minor. And then the second verse. What do you say? And here, right before going to the chorus, I'm doing this little walk while holding the A minor. On the A string, I'm doing 3, 2, open, then G string open, and then grabbing F. You don't know my mind to D minor. You don't know my kind to A minor. Dark necessities a part of my design to G. This is the same part as the very first intro, but the strumming I'm doing here is a little bit different. It's something like down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up. Falling from the sky, dark necessities a part of my design. And after the first chorus, we have another verse, then another chorus, and then we go to the bridge, for which we are doing C to B flat, to D minor, to F. All right? And we are basically repeating this 3 times. In a little bit, I'll show you more details that I'm doing on this one. Do you want this love of mine? The darkness helps all the shine. Do you want it? Do you want it now? Do you want it all the time? The darkness helps all the shine. Do you want it? Do you want it now? Getting back to another verse after that, and then we have another chorus, and then we go to the outro, which basically is over the chords of F to D minor, to A minor, to G. But we're doing more things. So I'm coming right now a little bit closer to show you what I'm doing on the bridge and what I'm doing on the outro, because they're very cool pickings that if you want to, you can learn. Okay, the bridge first. So we start with C, and then we're doing this on the E string. Open to first, and then G string open. And then on the E string again, first open, grabbing the B flat, and trying to accent more on the C string here, because this is where the melody goes. And then here we do C, E, open G string, E, C. So for now we have and here we grab the D minor, and then on the 3rd fret of the E string, and then F, but with the pinky on the 3rd fret of the A string, and up here. All right, so slowly. All right, that's the instrumental part before the singing, and after that we go like this. To B flat. Okay, so C on the A string, 2nd, open, open G string, then B flat, then open A string, open G string, E string 1st fret, then D minor with the pinky 3rd fret of the E string, 1st fret, 2nd fret of the C string, F. All right. Do you want this love of mine? The darkness helps to sow the shine. Do you want it? Do you want it now? Do you want it all the time? darkness helps to sow the shine. Do you want it? Do you want it now? Alright, now let's see the outro. We have two different outros. The first one goes something like this. It's not really covering the second part of the guitar solo because we don't have the tones for it, but at least the first one sounds like this. So I'm playing F, and here on the A string goes the melody. Okay, 3, 2, open G string, and then here slide from second to fourth of the C string, and then with the middle finger and pointing finger I'm playing the E tone, which is both the open E string and the C string on the 4th fret. And then open C string, grabbing it here, very important, with the ring finger, so we can grab the D minor, and this is where we are not continuing the solo guitar move because we just don't have the tones. And then the second time it goes the same but over A minor. But here we are grabbing with the pointing finger so we can grab G after that, all right? All right, one more time. And then the second part is on the same chord, but we're doing something different. Alright, so let's see how we are doing this. Playing F with the 3rd fret of the A string and then releasing. Okay, and then barring on the 5th fret and really quick hammer on the 7th fret of the A string. Okay, then the same on D minor. Same thing. Then grabbing A minor. And up here the E minor shape, but on the 7th, 8th, 9th fret. And then G, but really importantly here, grabbing the A string with the pinky on the 3rd fret and removing the middle finger so we can play the A string open, and with the pinky 5, 3, 2, 3. And you finish it on F. Alright, I guess this sums up my tutorial for Dark Necessities. Thank you so much for watching it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.